My father's cousin drives this car, and his dad was a heavy drinker, so their relationship was pretty rocky. Just kidding. Remove the negative battery terminal. Disconnect both cooling fan wiring harness connectors and unclip the cooling fan wiring harness so that it can be put to the side. Remove the two 10mm bolts securing the cooling fan to the radiator. Remove the upper radiator hose from the radiator and pin it back so the cooling fan assembly can be removed. Remove the 13mm nut securing the positive wire to the starter and disconnect the wire. Then disconnect the wiring harness connector. Remove the 12mm upper alternator bolt. A long extension and swivel socket make this much easier. Loosen the alternator belt tension. Remove the alternator belt and tensioner pulley. After removing the tensioner pulley, you can see the lower alternator bolt. Remove the 14mm nut. To remove the alternator, you have to tilt it forward and slide the lower bolt out from the top. To install the new alternator, reverse these steps. Sorry, my camera died right after I removed the old alternator, so I don't have any installation footage. As usual, torque specs will be in the description. Thanks for watching.